non-technical person, these 5 AI agents will change that in less than a minute. You don't need to be a developer today to use AI agents. Claude Code can do that for you really fast. An AI agent is just a helper that thinks and acts on its own. You give it a job, it figures out the steps, it gets it done. Here are 5 things an AI agent can do for you right now. 1, it can research and summarize every topic. 2, I love this. It can now read emails and draft replies for you automatically, even clear spam. 3, it can find leads for your business from an absolute beginner. And 4, even if you have no social media accounts or posts, it can start posting every single day without you crafting the post. And 5, you can also book meetings, follow up on your calendar. Subscribe and comment AI if you need an invitation to my masterclass right now.